Hi, I'm Adam.
I'm Michelle. Sometimes you need to inspire a little interest in a topic that you're covering. Things like infrastructure can seem a little boring to kids, but these games are going to help you out. Today we're sharing 3 games that will help you inspire interest in infrastructure.
So our first game is Trains. It is a deck building game in which you work for a railroad company and you are slowly getting more and more cards in your deck to be able to build more and more rails and connecting different cities across a countryside or an entire continent, depending on how you play it. The really interesting thing I find about this game is there's a lot of different things you can teach your kids throughout it, because every time you build more rails, you're going to add more waste to your deck, and those waste cards just kind of build up and build up. So it really teaches kids how to best utilize their time and space, because the more waste you do in this game, the more it really slows down your hand.
The second game today is Railroad Inc. This is one of our favorites. In this game, you are constructing roads and railroads. You're trying to connect the stations together, and you're going to do this by rolling the dice and then drawing on your board what the dice show. You're going to connect the places together to try to get points. It's just another way to be able to just get hands-on, and learning experiences are so much more memorable when there's that hands-on experience. And if you can tie that to your lessons, maybe a lesson about railroad construction or about infrastructure, it will help them to retain that information more easily, and they'll remember it with these fond memories of playing this game.
Our third suggestion is Suburbia. Suburbia is a game in which you are a city planner building your own suburb, basically, and everything that you build in your town has the ability of affecting everyone else's towns. And so it really kind of shows the kids how, even though you're only playing within your own area, your own city, that every city has to rely on each other, and at the same time, other cities can deter from other ones. A few examples would just be how if you build a restaurant and someone else builds a different restaurant, it can take business away from your town. But another way of phrasing it, or another thing that could come up, is that an airport is completely pointless until you have another airport to fly to. And so things like this kind of come up in the game, and although you are competitively playing against each other, it really does rely a lot on what other people do to help your own city as well.
Have you ever used a game to help your kids get interested in a topic that you're learning about? Let us know in the comments below. And if you have any recommendations you would like us to make for you, let us know that too.
Otherwise, like and subscribe below, and we'll see you next time.